Okay, select that one. Flat, simple flat file. Okay, no, yeah. Okay, okay, click OK. Now, what this process is doing is sending one document in this process, and you're calling. Have you heard of this calling functions and all in Java? Child process, sub process.
Yeah, Chitra. Even in RPA, we'll be having.
Yeah, that's the exact same thing happening here. You're calling us in another process into this process. Okay. Now, whatever the documents you are passing to this branch, it is converting the flat file to JSON because you have added a process shape here.
Okay.
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 I mean, it is just to simplify the complex architecture, whatever you are building. To simplify that one, we are using this process call.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts in this process call?
No, Chitra. Actually, we'll be doing same kind of thing in automation. Actually, we'll be for some portfolio applications, we'll be sending error mails to only one group, entire application. So whenever we want to send, I mean, error logs, we'll be calling the same task email bot to send success mails and
Yeah, yeah, it's like that. Yeah. Inside a process, you are building one more process. That is it. To simplify it and tell you a definition, inside one process, you are building another process. That is called process call. Okay. The main process what you are building, the main process what is in the canvas is called parent process. Okay. And whatever the process you are calling using process call shape is called child process.
Chaitra, is there, I mean, like, is there any dependency for this Chaitra, or it will run individually? I mean, if we,
It will run individually. See, one branch only, when you're branching only, one document is split into documents, different documents, no data change will be done. One document, I told you about the branch shape, right? That time I told you. If you're branching one document, it is splitting the documents into four different parts. I mean, not cutting or not editing data, like copies of one document, four copies will be made. Okay, those four copies also will be executing on its own, whatever functions you have given to that after that shape, that will be continued.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah, these two options is for abortive sub. For I mean, I've already told you. Wait for the process. See, if you don't select this, no, wait for the process to complete. Then
it will
it
go.
will not wait until this child process is executed. It
Okay,
will move on to the next shape, whatever you have added.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
And in if you select abort if sub process fails, if this process child process you get any error, that entire process what you are doing that will also be considered as error. That will be failed.
you mean after this one? I mean,
Yeah, yeah. After this one, you will add some shapes. For
yeah,
example,
yeah,
you
yeah.
will add your notification exception or something, or you are doing a decision shape, or set properties or message shape. Whatever you want, you are adding that.
Okay.
Okay, that time. Yeah, you can't, I mean, you should select from this side.
How can we do this?
No, drag this arrow mark in message. No, not that.
Your voice is breaking, Chaitra.
Uh, now,
Speak something.
hello.
Yeah,
Am
yeah,
I audible?
yeah, yeah.
In message shape you have, right?
Yeah, Chaitra.
No, not that. You have arrow mark there, right? How you do for branch and all the same way. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. See, for example, this process you are calling the child process here, and this is still in execution. If you untick the checkbox, no, wait till the process is completed. That checkbox is there, right? If you don't select this, it will not wait until this process is completed. It will directly move to the message shape.
Okay.
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 Yeah. And abort if subprocess failed, it is aborting there only. If this subprocess is failed, it is aborting there only and not continuing with the further shapes. It will be directly sent to an error.
Okay.
If you add an exception there, that will be sent to an error.
Okay. So
Okay.
one will run individually, two will run individually, like default.
Yeah. Whatever you are setting there, that outputs will be. I mean, after this, what shapes you are setting, that will be done.
Okay.
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 Yeah. And anything with this process call shape.
No, Chandra. I mean, same thing
Okay.
related to in RPA.
Yeah, I mean subprocess, calling the subprocess here. Okay. And in this child process only, you can add a return document shape. A scroll down, you have return document shape. I mean in logic. Yeah. Oh, 1 minute, Shakti. Yeah, Bhumika. Yeah, sorry, Shakti.
Okay.
Okay. What this return documents is like, it is placed like in the child process at end of the document, whatever the after completion of the child process, it is placing there. What it is doing is it is collecting the documents from child process.
Okay.
Okay, and then returning that document to the parent process.
Okay.
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 Um, yeah, so you can give a display name and select there. Okay. Now you can link this return documents to a child process. You can place it there. Remove that message. No, remove that message. You have to place it inside the child process. Now open new process 3. New process 3. Open new process 3. Not here. In this onto this canvas. Open that in another tab.
No process.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Here you have to add that return document shape. Like for example, in decision, true is there, right? In true, you have to add that return documents.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, child to parent, yeah, name it as. So, if this process is executed correctly, let's say for example, everything is connected and configured and executed successfully, and the decision is moved to true shape.
Okay.
The output of that decision is collected in this document and it is returning it to the parent process with whatever you have calling, like open that new process 2. See, here you are calling new process 3.
Okay.
Okay. At that time, for here, that output of that return documents is given here.
Okay.
Okay. From that files output, you want to configure, right? You are getting that files, that processes output here in the new process because you are collecting data in the new process 3 only. You have added the return documents there only. Like return documents, it is returning the document from child process to parent process. Okay. When you add return documents shape, no, it is waiting for all the documents to process down its path and collects all the output of that document and then sending it to the parent process.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I'll send you a screenshot of this call of this process call and return documents. How does it work?
Okay.
It is basically collecting the information and sending it to the parent process.
Okay.
Return documents. Wherever you are adding, which process you are calling, in that process you have to add the return document shape so that the output is collected there and sending the data to this new process.
Oh. You mean parent?
Yeah.
Parent.
Yeah, to the parent process. Yeah. Yeah. Anything else, Shakti?
No, Chetra.
Okay, I mean that's it for today session.
Yeah.
If you have anything, you can ask. Yeah, today we have learned about validation techniques, error handling techniques, and the process call shape and the written document shape. Okay, 4 we have learned. Any doubts in this 4?
Process call shape and return document.
Written documents, yeah. Process call shape is like calling the child process, sub process you have added here, right? This is the process call shape. Okay, written documents are for returning the documents from child execution to parent process.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even after 3 months, I think there won't be hybrid model in TCS.
Sorry, I didn't get.
After 2 months, there won't be hybrid model in TCS. We have to report 5 days a week.
Okay, after 3 months, we have to take time, like 3 months only. Okay.
They're asking us to stay 8 hours inside the ODC.
Okay. I mean, that's practically, I mean, we have been adjusted to this lifestyle.
Yeah.
That will be practically difficult.
Okay.
I mean, how many years have you been working in this project, Shakti, or which you are working currently?
You mean
RPA support, yeah.
Yeah, it's client from US, Chetra, Motorola.
Okay. No, how many years have you been working there?
I'm not able to hear you, Chetra. It's breaking.
How many years have you been working there in that RPA support project?
Around 4 years.
Okay, 4 years. Before that, which project you were working?
Health foundations. Healthcare.
Health.
Yeah.
In the TCS only?
In TCS only. From
Okay.
2016, I'm in TCS.
Oh, okay.
2014 to 16, I'm working with a small scale company.
Okay, okay.
I have secondary.
Yeah, okay. Anything about this today's session?
No, Chetra. Actually, we are good.
Everything is clear, right?
Everything is clear. I mean, the same thing is related to RPS, so I can easily understand.
Yeah. I mean, calling the child process there. I mean, you need not write a new code again for that. You can just call the process.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Chetra. I think we are good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Are we good to end the session?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Thanks, Shakti. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go through this process call shape and written document because that is important. In any, I mean, if you are writing any code, that is important to decrease the downtime also.
Okay.
I mean, sorry, the runtime.
Okay.
To decrease the runtime, this process, child process, calling the child process inside the process, that will be decreasing the runtime, so that it will be helpful for the efficiency of the code.
Okay.
Go through that shapes.
Yeah, sure, Chetra.
Okay, sure.
Bye, Chetra.
Bye.